Okay, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you two of my created sets. So I called it the set number 101 target practice. That is set 105 warrior training. So first let's go to target practice. So this is the target practice, comes with one minifig. So this box of stuff. Get the fun. Just kidding. Alright, let me put that stuff right there. So this is the shooting area. These are the heads you need to shoot. So these are the wait. So first 360 view of the place before I show everything else. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god. Dun, 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 dun. So 360 view of the place. The upper top where this is the sign, so let's take out that first. Wait a minute. It's not very good. So there it is. That's the top part. So it basically looks like this. Now we got these things to check. There we go. There you go. Good. Oh crap. Okay. It's hard to film while not holding. Okay. So bigger view of the angle. Alright. So what this basically do, this is the heads. So you target them and then you basically hit them so they go out. That's basically the play feature of this set that I made. It's consisted of a bunch of Lego and a bunch of fake Lego sets in the market. So what's basically do is just shoot at the heads and that's it. So not only this one shoots, this one as well shoots, but it's kind of weaker than the stick one that shoots. As you can see, it doesn't have the slow on accuracy, as you see. So it's not that good. So the stick is good because it's a little bit longer. And this is the minifig. It's a cool minifig. Let's fix this. Let's put this up here. So I'll put a box of stuff. So yeah, this is basically it. This is basically the set 101. So why the name set 101? I want every one of my sets started with 100. Then it's how many figures, and that's the last. Next we'll go into ninja warrior training set. So we got our main entrance. We got this. I'll show you what it's for. The play feature. So 360 view first. Look at that 360 view. Then we got this where all the weapons are stashed and hidden. And then we got some guns. So we got some armor here, but it's like basically where you hit. So we got 3 minifigs in this. Some are custom, some are not. So we got this guy. It's Nerd Kai's head. This guy. Wait, can you see it? Oh wait, there. Yeah, this guy. So oh my god. Okay, next let's just visit on this. So we got this thing. So it's basically a thing you pull and you don't pull. So what are these for? These are for zip lining. As you can see, I will use Nerd Kai for that. So let me hold them off. Hold on nice and clear and go. Okay, so basically just go. He just goes down like that, and that's it. So there's a nice camouflaging in these. So if you take these off, yes, you'll see heads. Alright. Enough of that though. So overall, yeah, so this is a great set. Oh my god, not in face. Pretty good set, I guess, that I made. Even though it comes with 3 minifigs. So we got Kai, Nerd Kai, then we got another this guy. That's my favorite figure that I made. It's half original, half fake. And we got this knight guy that's training. That's why I didn't want to call it ninja, because ninjas don't wear these. As you can see, they don't wear this kind of hat. Why look like training? Why is there jester hat in a ninja battle? Look at this. So yeah, if you like these, I'm gonna make more and just review them. Like this one, ninja training, we'll set 105, and then target practice at 101. Why not 105? There's 3 minifigures, but this counts. I mean, the 3 minifigures, but these ones counts. They just don't have hands, but I could add it if you want. So yeah, pretty good. This one's, yeah, look at the sign, yeah, look at the fight, yeah. Look at that. Up. Alright, up. There you go. All comment down below. And thank you for at least 2 subscribers, man. I'm so blessed that I got 2 subscribers already. Whoever are those, you guys are the bomb. So for now, I say bye. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what should I do. Please. If you're gonna comment down below, just say what I will do, and I will try to do it. Don't say like, oh my god, this is totally not real. Okay, fine, bye.